In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix StreamElements browser source not working. If your overlay, alerts, or widgets are not showing up correctly in OBS Studio, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a cache issue, an outdated browser source link, a sizing mismatch, or a browser source setting inside OBS. We'll go through the fixes in a simple order so you can get everything working again as quickly as possible. Start in OBS Studio by finding your StreamElements browser source in the Sources panel. Double-click it to open the Properties window. From there, click Refresh Cache of Current Page, then click OK. This forces OBS to reload the source instead of relying on older cached data, which often fixes overlays that appear blank, frozen, or partially broken. If that doesn't solve it, head over to your StreamElements dashboard and copy a fresh URL for the overlay or alert that's giving you trouble. Then go back into the browser source properties in OBS and paste that new URL into the source. Sometimes an older link may stop behaving correctly, so replacing it with a fresh one can help restore the connection. While you're still in the browser source settings, verify that the width and height match your canvas size in OBS. If the dimensions are wrong, the overlay may look cut off, appear off screen, or not display the way you expect. Matching the browser source size to your current canvas is an important detail that's easy to miss. Next, open OBS settings and go to Advanced. Scroll until you find the Sources section, then toggle Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. If it's currently enabled, try disabling it. If it's disabled, try turning it on. This setting can affect how browser-based overlays render depending on your system, graphics drivers, and OBS setup. After changing that option, restart OBS Studio so the change fully applies. A full restart is important here because browser source behavior may not update properly until OBS has been closed and reopened. Also, make sure your alerts are not muted or paused, and avoid relying on test alerts while your activity feed is disconnected. If the feed is disconnected, alerts may not behave the way you expect during testing, even if the source itself is fine. Finally, if your widgets load but fail to display live data, log out and then log back into your account through the StreamElements plugin dock inside OBS. This can refresh the connection between OBS and StreamElements and help your widgets start updating again. If you follow each of these fixes carefully, you should be able to get your StreamElements browser source working properly again.